Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Actually, in today's video we are going to be using the 7-segment display with our shift register IC. We'll be displaying number from 0 to 9 and also letters from A to F. So let's get started. This is a breadboard. This is a shift register IC which has the ability to receive data from the microcontroller serially and also output it in a parallel form. This is an Arduino We, which is our microcontroller. This is a 7-segment display which we are going to be using. These are some connecting wires which we are going to be using. Actually, this is the circuit diagram for our 7-segment display. This is the Arduino We, our shift register IC, and the 7-segment display. Actually, you can see I didn't use a resistor across the 7-segment display because I'm using a 3V. If you had to use a 5V, you have to use 220 ohms resistor across the leg of the 7-segment display.